guys, welcome back to our channel, and so guys, as you can tell which game we are going to be playing. Okay, that bit's weird. Okay, so guys, let's jump right into the game. I've got my mansion. Well, it's not really a mansion, but it's pretty big and it's decent, so I'm gonna get onto the game, guys. Come on, let's go on the game. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, guys. So we have this game's not too full, but we have Frozy99 Gamer Boy _6755. Yeah, I don't need to read all the names, they're just boring. Unlike my name, be free. If you guys want to friend me, then I will friend you and we will start working things out. I can get your phone number, and guys, we can also make videos, so then I have someone else to roleplay with, because the only person I have right now to roleplay with is my best friend Poppy. So yeah, guys. Ooh, it's very sunny outside, but I'm bored and starving, and you know, guys, I don't like to cook and eat food like that, so I'm just gonna roast a marshmallow. You know? It's the easiest way. Ah, I love my home. Ooh, people are joining inside there. Okay, let's eat the small, Right, okay guys, now we've got to watch TV until we're fine. Because, yeah, I watch TV sometimes. Like, it's awesome. But I'm gonna switch off TV. And I bet as soon as I turn it off, after tired, I'm gonna be bored. Oh, okay, nope, apparently not bored. Here's my lovely, I would call this a bathroom, but it's kind of not really a bathroom, it's just a bathroom. So, yeah. Oh, I'm starving now. Until I get to fine, I'm just gonna like keep going and annoying you guys. Sorry. If you're getting annoyed, comment down below. I'm annoyed. I'll stop to this. It's like awesome. And I listen to people sometimes. Barely ever. It's normally a gift if I'm listening. We could try. So guys, I love living in my home, but yeah, I love living in my home. So guys, we need more food. We need a roasted marshmallow because we don't eat good and healthy apples, which are really cheap, and we have not a lot of money, but guys, look, we could buy it, but nah, I'm not spending my Robux on that. Like, we could just work. Duh. Who doesn't work? Working's way easier than just spending all your Robux, because I have quite a lot of Robux right now, because I just done quite a lot of chores. So I'm not going to be spending all of it. Oh, I'm fine. I didn't realize that. So guys, let's go look at the moon and the stars, and it's not really very cool, but we'll look at it anyway. Look at our little mansion compared to everyone else's. Now, we don't have a car, so I'm gonna go to work tomorrow and earn a car and stuff, so let's go get out our bike and go just like around the country park. We need to lock it because we don't want anyone in our home. Guys, you need to open up this, and then let's head on, shall we? So guys, I think I'm going to be looking for some people who are a bit like homeless. So this person, they may need some money, so we might work and try and get them some money. But some people do prank and they like have a small home, but they pretend they have a small home, like maybe like this person, I don't really know. Oh geez, my friend! Hi Abigail! I'm just gonna say hi. Hi Abby. Oh god. Abigail. Hi Abigail. Let's see her home. she could do with some help. Want me to build you a home? Want me to build you a home? Bet she does, I bet she does, I bet she does. Oh. Well, okay. This home's like, I don't really know why, but I kind of like the casual normal home. I just think that the roof and then also like the color, because like I actually like it. I just think the colors are just a little off. This guy is like, okay, yeah, let's go to the other side if there's any better houses than this. Because, I'm not quite sure if this is a good home. So, let's go check. What's this dude doing? He looks rich, so there's some rich people in the village. Wait, he's near the working area, that's not good. I mean, see this. Like getting money when they can spend their Robux, but I'm pretty sure earlier on I just said work and don't spend your Robux. No one cares about that. I said nothing earlier. Ooh, this is a lovely home. But I'm not a fan of it, so goodbye. It did look lovely from far away, but then when you look at the small little touches, just nah. Oh my god. Just, what's this thing? Bang. Fun. Whee! Right, what's this guy making? Okay, so my server's not the best, but we can go look for a better server, I guess. No, we're not going to look for a better server today, because, guys, we will be going to work. So let's go head to work. This person's got a car, but, like, they're rich, but they're just homes, like, some people can be really rich, their homes are just really bad. Because, like, I used to be really rich and my homes used to be terrible. So I kind of had to be a few pictures, but let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about that. We don't like to share secrets, do we now? Okay, no, I just got to shut up. Okay, this person, you would like to order a pepperoni pizza? Well, you are welcome. Goodbye. I'm awesome at my job. I'm awesome at my job. Okay. We need to get up to level 18 because we're on level 17. So guys, I'm pretty sure we're not halfway yet, but nobody cares. That thing's just gotta be like, yeah, or something round about at least over halfway, because by now, because like, oh my god. This is how much money I have right now. Then when you get 2 pizzas, I get like 600 and so. No, I would not like to go to Bella Blueberry Bluta. Yeah, I know that was fast. So I got 619. That's pretty good. Now I think I'm gonna get like, I don't know how much after, probably 1,000 because I'm amazing at work and I don't know why, but I have to have a night shift. I'm always in night shifts at 12 PM, which gives me 2 minutes, well, in the game, 2 hours, until until I earn 1,000. Okay, nobody cares about you anymore, you're just stupid. Goodbye. Well, my family can't care about me, so like, yeah. Why am I talking to myself? I don't know, guys. Well, guys, I'm talking to you guys, so like, yeah. Guys, if you guys want me to do more slime videos, and guys, when I get better videos on TikTok and stuff, I will give you my account so you guys can follow me. But if you guys go to my school and you just do it because you laugh at me at school like everyone does, then I won't give you my account. So like, I really hope it's not people from my school, because I know a lot of people from my school watch all of my videos and they always laugh at me like, Evie, haha, your videos are so cringy. Well, you're cringy. So that's what I basically got to say in this whole entire video, that the people at school, I see the losers. Except for like all my friends, of course, but you know. I'll call them losers for now, so then they like look at the video and they're like, oh my gosh, she's doing another cringy video, let's watch it. And then you just realize it's all about them and how I'm destroying their life. It's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna tell all my friends, I uploaded a new video this morning, go watch it. And they'll be like, oh yay, yay. I'm gonna make more fun of you. Well, make fun. Oh, my friend's on game. Hi. Okay guys, so I'm gonna say in the chat hole BRB. Okay. So guys, it seems like she kind of wants me to like, I'll say I'll call, yeah. So guys, I guess I kind of gotta go. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.